Okay, right. So now I'll be taking surface areas and volumes for you. Okay, right? Surface areas and volumes. Okay, right. Now this is a topic about mensuration, surface areas and volumes. Here you have to learn few things. Okay, like surface area means it can be the area of a surface. Volume means how much it can hold. Okay, right. Now in class 10 and PUC, especially what you get for aptitude is from class 10 and PUC. So their surface area volumes means you'll be learning about a cube, a cuboid, a sphere, a hemisphere, a cone and a cylinder. What are they and how about them? We'll just look at now. Okay. Now for example, you're talking about a cube. A cube is something like this. You know Rubik's cube? So a Rubik's cube is a simple cube. Okay, right. Now this cube, when I hold the cube in front of you, there are four faces now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 faces and 5 and 6, top and bottom. So we have something called curved surface area or lateral surface area. So curved surface area or lateral surface area means we are talking about these 4 faces, front, 2 sides and 1 back side. Okay. Now you know when we are talking about a cube, okay, the edge length is A, right? So edge length is A means all sides are A. And just now I told you if the side of a square is A, then the area of the square will be A into A square. That means area of the square is A square for one side. For 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be 4A square. If it is meter, it's going to be meter square. If it's centimeter, it's going to be centimeter square. The units is very important. Okay. Then, say for example, we are talking about total surface area. Total surface area, along with this 4A square, we include the top and the bottom part. So, it is going to be 6A square meter square. Clear? Then, we are talking about volume. Volume means it's going to be A into A into A. Okay? That's nothing but A cube meter cube. Okay? Length into breadth into height. That will give you the volume. That means in a Rubik's cube, how much of water you can pour. What is the volume it can hold. That is given by the edge length, A cube. This is the formula for cube. Clear? Now, we have something called a cuboid. A cuboid is something like a chalk box. Okay? It can hold length, breadth and height. Okay? The cuboid also has similarly curved surface area. So tell me curved surface area. So curved means it's going to be length into height, front face, back side also length into height, side face breadth into height, breadth into height. Correct? So it's going to be 2 into LH plus BH. This is curved surface area or lateral surface area. Then total surface area is given as including the length and the breadth. Okay, so it's going to be LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, right? Clear? Then what is volume? Volume is nothing but length into breadth into height. Meter cube, this is meter square and meter square. Area is going to be in meter square. Volume is going to be in meter cube. Clear? Now we have something called a cylinder. This is what we call the cylinder. Now a cylinder, the top and the bottom portion will have radius r. because it's a circle, the top and the bottom part. Now it will have height h. Okay, right. Now when we take a circle, the perimeter of the circle is given as 2 pi r and the area is given as pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square and the perimeter is 2 pi r. Okay, perimeter means the fence. So the perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r and the height is h. So that will give you the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, right. Curved surface area of the cylinder is given as 2 pi r h. Okay. Total surface area is given as 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Why? Total surface area, we include the top and the bottom portion also, right? So what is the top part? Pi r square. What is the bottom part? Pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So what will that be? 2 pi r taken common, h plus r. Clear? Next, what will be the volume? Volume is pi r square is the area into h will give you the volume. So pi r square meter cube, meter square, meter square. Clear? Next, we are talking about something called a cone. The radius is r and the height is h, slant height is l. Okay, so the curved surface area of a cone is given as pi r l, because l is the slant height. Pi r l meter square will give you the curved surface area. The total surface area will be given by pi r l plus pi r square, the bottom area of a circle. Okay, so pi r taken common, l plus r. Then the volume is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. It is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. Clear? So this is meter cube, this is meter square and meter square. Clear? Next one. We'll be having next about a sphere. Okay, right? What is a sphere? You can see? Right? Yes. Okay, you can see now this part. So this is a sphere. Shot put. Your shot put is a simple sphere. Shot put. Okay, right? Now here you have just surface area. You don't have curved or lateral. Sorry, you don't have curved surface area or total surface area. Why? Because you don't have anything division like this now. It's totally one surface. Totally one surface. Okay. So that is given as 4 pi r square meter square. Volume is given as 4 by 3 pi r cube meter cube. Okay. This is another way of approaching three-dimensional geometry. But as of now, we learn the formula as 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, right. Now, hemisphere. Okay. Now, hemisphere is something like this. Correct? So, what do you talk about curved surface area? Curved surface area is half of the surface area. 2 pi r square. Then total surface area. What is total surface area? 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Why 2 pi r square is curved surface area? On the top there is a circle, pi r square. So it's going to be 3 pi r square, meter square, meter square. Okay? Then what is the volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube is volume here. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? Sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so these are the six major plane figures in surface areas and volumes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. Okay, right? You have to learn, memorize the formulas so that implementing them will be easy. Okay, clear? If you learn the formulas, I'll teach you how you should do them. Copy this now.